Welcome to the Elite Economizer. Are you ready to take control of your financial future and save up $10,000 in just 1 year? In this video, we're about to unveil some practical and proven money saving strategies that will help you achieve this ambitious goal. Did you know that 69% of American adults have less than $1,000 in their savings account? But don't let that discourage you because we're about to show you how to go from zero to $10,000 in just 365 days. It all starts with setting clear goals and writing them down. Research shows that you're 42% more likely to achieve your goals if you write them down. So, grab a sticky note, put it on your wall, or even get a temporary tattoo to remind yourself of your financial aspirations every day. Once you've set your goals, it's essential to have a designated place to put your savings. Consider opening a high-interest saving account or using a reliable app like Riada to ensure your money grows while you save. If you're feeling a bit more adventurous, you can also explore investing in the stock market with a user-friendly platform like Webull. Budgeting can be a great tool, but if it's not your cup of tea, don't worry. There are other ways to achieve your financial goals. You can even have fun with it. Cheat if you have to, but remember, it's all about enjoying the process. Now, if you're looking for ways to boost your savings, consider exploring side hustles. These additional income streams can make a significant difference, even if you're starting with a limited budget. From flipping items on Craigslist to cleaning houses, detailing cars, mowing lawns, or starting your social media presence, there are countless opportunities to earn extra cash. Frugal living is another game changer. It's not just about earning more, it's about spending less. A dollar saved is a dollar earned. And when you save, you keep the full dollar. Discover simple daily changes like making coffee at home, cutting down on unnecessary purchases, and packing your lunch to work. These habits can help you save money efficiently and quickly. So, join us on this financial journey as we break down how to save $10,000 in 1 year. By making small, daily decisions, you'll be amazed at the difference they can make in your life. Let's delve even deeper into some of these money-saving strategies to ensure you have all the tools you need to succeed. One of the most effective ways to save money is by creating a monthly budget. While we mentioned that budgeting might not be everyone's favorite activity, it can be incredibly empowering and enlightening. Start by tracking your monthly income and expenses. List every source of income, including your salary, side hustle earnings, and any other money you receive regularly. Then, meticulously detail your monthly expenses from rent or mortgage payments to groceries, utilities, and entertainment. Be sure to account for every dollar you spend. Once you have a clear picture of your finances, categorize your expenses into two groups: essential and non-essential. Essential expenses are those you can't live without, such as housing, utilities, and groceries. Non-essential expenses including dining out, entertainment, and impulse purchases. Identifying non-essential expenses is where the real savings can happen. Review your non-essential spending and look for areas where you can cut back. For example, consider cooking more meals at home instead of dining out. This simple change can save you hundreds of dollars per month. Another way to reduce non-essential expenses is by canceling unused subscriptions. Many of us have memberships for services we no longer use or need. It's time to trim the fat from your monthly expenses. Cancel the gym membership you haven't used in months or the streaming services you barely watch. These small savings can add up quickly. Once you've optimized your budget, you can allocate a specific amount to savings each month. This disciplined approach ensures that you're consistently putting money aside to reach your $10,000 goal. Treat your savings as a non-negotiable monthly expense, just like rent or utilities. But what if your current income doesn't allow for substantial savings? This is where the power of a side hustle comes into play. Side hustles can provide an additional source of income that can significantly boost your savings efforts. Consider your skills and interests when choosing a side hustle. Are you good at graphic design, writing, or social media management? Websites like Fiverr and Upwork offer opportunities to freelance in various fields. You can take on projects during your free time and turn your skills into extra cash. If you prefer more traditional side hustles, think about offering services like lawn care, pet sitting, or house cleaning in your local community. These hands-on gigs can put money in your pocket while providing valuable services to others. Perhaps you have a passion or hobby that could be monetized. If you love crafting, consider selling your creations on platforms like Etsy. If you're a skilled photographer, offer portrait sessions in your area. Your hobbies can become lucrative side businesses with a bit of effort and creativity. The key to a successful side hustle is consistency and dedication. Treat your side gig as a part-time job, setting aside dedicated hours each week to work on it. Over time, the income from your side hustle can grow, contributing significantly to your savings goal. Investing in your financial education is another critical step on your journey. Congratulations on taking the first steps towards transforming your financial future. By setting clearer goals, making small daily decisions, and exploring various money saving strategies, you're well on your way to saving $10,000 in just 1 year. Remember, financial success is within your reach, and we're here to support you every step of the way. If you found this video helpful and inspiring, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Elite Economizer for more valuable content on personal finance, money-saving tips, and wealth-building strategies. Together, we can achieve financial freedom and create the life you've always dreamed of. Thank you for joining us on this journey, and we look forward to helping you reach your financial goals. Stay motivated, stay frugal, and stay tuned for more life-changing insights from the Elite Economizer. See you in the next video. Stay motivated, stay frugal, and stay tuned for more life-changing insights from the Elite Economizer. See you in the next video. Stay motivated, stay frugal, and stay tuned for more life-changing insights from the Elite Economizer. See you in the next video. Stay motivated, stay frugal, and stay tuned for more life-changing insights from the Elite Economizer. See you in the next video. Stay motivated, stay frugal, and stay tuned for more life-changing insights from the Elite Economizer. See you in the next video.